and I am from SSC 2009 batch. First of all, I would like to take this opportunity to thank our school for giving me a chance to interact with all of you, although virtually, and share my experiences and learnings in my journey so far with all of you on this occasion of Shardotsav. So I completed my secondary school certificate, that is SSC, in the year 2009, and then I continued with my higher secondary education from SP College in Pune in the year, and I finished it in the year 2011. So this was the first time when I was staying away from my nest. When I mean away from my nest, it was not only staying away from my family members, but also going into a new educational environment. Friends, you might not realize it at this moment of time, but our teachers are always looking over us in all the times. When you are in school, as you spend most of your day, most of the part of your day in the school hours, your friends are always there to help you, the teachers to guide you, and this was something which I missed terribly in the initial months when I shifted to Pune, as I had to figure out many things on my own, and it was quite new and challenging for me. After completing my higher secondary education, I continued with bachelor's in electrical engineering from Shivaji University, and then with a master's in electrical engineering from Mumbai University. During this time, I got a chance to showcase all the skills that I had acquired during my initial school days through various competitions, maybe elocution competitions or different types of college gatherings, and this helped me to explore new things, learn about new things in details, and pursue my hobbies and passions. The various activities which are our school co-curricular and inter-school competitions and activities which our school used to organize, and I'm sure it is still organized now as well, they helped me really to explore new things and developed interest in not only just the academics but also in shaping my personality and acquiring new skill sets. So after finishing my education, I worked as an assistant professor in an engineering college in Mumbai, and currently I am working with DNV Energy Systems in Germany. Now, as many of you might be wondering that from my attire I am wearing a coat and a scarf, although in the background you can see that the weather is quite sunny and there's a lot of sunlight. But this is something which I learned, that the coldness or amount of coldness in air and sunlight are two different things, and I could learn it from my experience after shifting here to Berlin. So yes, I'm currently interacting with you from Berlin, and I'm staying here for the last 2 years, and I'm working with DNV as I mentioned earlier. This again, which brings me back to the next point. I started learning German as a foreign language in school from standard 8th. Although at that time the decision of learning German was only out of curiosity of learning a new language and just a fascination to learn something new. Looking at it now, looking backwards at it now, I feel that it was one of the best decisions of my life. Although whatever German I learned in the school was basic, it definitely helped me learning or gaining interest in the language, and I am forever thankful to the school for it. The way Aarti ma'am taught us German in school, I clearly remember we used to wait for that lesson, as we could somehow be transposed to, okay, things are this way over there, and the lifestyle is like this, and that was something new to us. And today when I see those things around me, it brings a certain joy and happiness to me. Like small examples, like we had a paragraph in the school that the bus line number 100 is quite important one in the public transport in Berlin, and it covers all the points and some details about it. After shifting here, when I took that ride, the memorable experience that I had after taking that ride was something I will always cherish forever in my life. So this interest of learning new things which I had, which was developed in me during the school days, helped me learn. Not only it was just not limited to learning a new language in the school and learning just that thing, but it also continued in learning new things, exploring new things, knowing the world around you better in any field, whichever it might be. So that is something I will always cherish in my life. That quality which was developed in me because of the various activities and uh, the culture in our school, and I am forever thankful to the school for that. Uh, that's it, friend. That's all about me, and I once again thank our school for giving me this opportunity, and I hope that everything gets back to normal soon. And I wish you all a very nice day and a great future ahead, and all the best to all of you. See you soon, hopefully. Till then, take care and stay safe. Ciao.